welcome to this brand new video on this channel. It's my first video in another language. Today I'm gonna show you how you can draw this character, this lovable Donald Duck character at home. So let's go. So to begin drawing Donald Duck, first of all you need a pencil. So I start with this shape for his head. Then we need some construction lines, so we draw the construction lines. Then we're gonna draw his beak. He is smiling, so we give him a very wide grin. He is a lovable character. I love Donald Duck, so yeah, I draw him a lot in my sketchbook. So we need this line to make some perspective, and I will choose to draw his beak closed. Sometimes you need an eraser to erase things, mistakes or bad things about the drawing. So we give him his eyes and most important, his pupils. Then we need to draw his eyebrows. Some hair, in his case feathers. So now we're gonna draw his head, and of course the top. It's a peanut shape, and then this thing on the side, it's a flag type, I think. And we're gonna draw his neck. So now we're gonna ink this in. I hope you loved the drawing video. Have you some requests for other Disney characters or other cartoon characters? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to this channel, and I see you next time in a new video.